Welcome to Coach Camp. We'll be working upper body today. We'll be working in superset, so that means one exercise after the other. They are complementary. One will exhaust the other. One is 75 seconds and then a 60-second exercise with 15 seconds rest. We'll be able to do it 3 rounds for each superset combination, so let's have some fun. Ready? Lateral raise. Let's go. 75. So that's it. Nice. So the elbows lead, shoulders away from the ears. Good, nice and tall, chest is lifted, belly's tight. So I'm going time under tension. I probably can handle a little heavier weight on the second round now. So if you are just doing this as your first set, keep it nice and light. Relax through, just kind of figure out what we're doing. We've got 3 sets of everything. So that first set can always be a little bit lighter. Just focus on where you want to feel it. Just make sure that those arms are parallel to the floor. So we want to be careful that we're not opening, keeping the elbows leading the show. 22 seconds left, so now you can get a really good gauge. If you have to drop set, you can drop the weight. Get to a lighter one, just to finish it, but just finish it. Good to see everyone this morning. Perfect. You know what to do? Have a seat, shoulder presses. If you need to change the weight to the 60-second run, I definitely got to change mine up. I'll do 10 minutes. Ready? Remember your breath. Inhale, exhale. Breathing. Seconds. I'm feeling that. Belly tight. When you get tired, sometimes you arch that back, so resetting. 15 seconds, you gotta take a little break. Come back in like I just did. Let's go. 30 seconds, rest. Lots of variations on this timer, so I'm definitely not going to touch it. So we're going to open up the chest a little, stretch it out. Lateral raises one more time. Don't trip over. All right, so here's your weight accordingly. It's your last set for lateral raises. I'll keep those 10s. I think they were good. But I think for 8s for the laterals. Ready? So because I'm already exhausted, the shoulders, you can raise even more than me because you did a little extra set. Don't be afraid to drop set if you need to, meaning lower the weight. Breathe, inhale, exhale. As you come up, contraction. I'm getting a little bit forms going, so I gotta reset, lead with the elbows. Shoulders, middle shoulders, be careful. These elbows are soft locks, so you don't want to bend them up. You want to keep them right there. Keep that shoulder height parallel to the floor. Side view, slightly in front. Close by. Start with my 10s. seconds left. Eleven seconds. Push, come on. Inhale, exhale as you drive. Woo. Got it. So if I was logging that, I'd log 10/8 to the shoulder press. Remember, you can always log. We can never stop logging. All right, we're gonna do chest. You're gonna lay down for this one or use your bench. So I'm gonna quickly use my bench. I'm gonna do a fly to start. So if we can just get that weight for a fly, would be great. We only have 9 seconds, so guys, let's move this along. So 10 pounds I'm gonna try. Maybe 8, the first one. Get that 4. Okay, so on the floor or off your bench, I like to pull my knees up over my hips, only because if I put them down, sometimes I have a knack to overarch the back. So if that's you, you can always keep the knees covered with the hips. Please. So remember with your fly, elbows are locked into that same lock elbow you had in your lateral raise. The weights are over your chest, not over your face. So make sure. You notice I'm really taking my time on the eccentric, which is this opening phase. Eccentric goes slow. I'm going to try and drive it up on the concentric a little bit more. I think 8 might have been a little light for me. Bonus. Celebrate that. Okay. So have a seat. Grab some heavier weights for this one. You're gonna have a press. So we're gonna do the fly and the press together. So I'm definitely gonna grab my 10s for this. We don't have much time though. So let's go. So you can usually handle a little bit more. It's basically the opposite to your push-up. And if you've warmed up in your push-up, perfect. So nice warm-up weight for me, 10 pounds. I think what I'm gonna do on that second round is I'm gonna go to 12 and just keep my 10s close. However, fly is gonna stay with 8. You definitely want to form, you don't wanna throw those shoulders. It's really just a pre-exhaust anyway. It's really just to warm up the chest and get you ready for this press. Only 60 seconds on this round, so you got 6 seconds left. So hence 30 seconds. Hence the less time on the second one. You can go a little heavier, right? So you notice they're pressing motions for laterals and these. All right, 16 seconds. Get ready for your flies. All right, you ready? Stay with these. So nice and easy to pick up the form on this one today because you'll be doing 3 sets of everything. And they're super sets, so you get a little bit of variety anyway, but so I probably can go a little faster because this weight is a little easier for me. Breathe. Remember your inhale is on the open, on this closed eccentric, open, close, concentric, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Wanted to get your core? Yeah, I could pull those legs a little further away. Got to keep that back on the bench. I can do it for this one since my weight's a little bit lighter. That's how you can bring some challenge in. 6 seconds. This is a long one. Okay. Okay, chest press. 4 seconds. So I'm not going to pull those knees away from the hips on this one. I just really want to focus on draw from my chest. One singular focus. Exhale as you push. Chest. Come on. Create that arc. Watch your elbows don't come too low. If you have a floor, they're going to hit the floor. So think about that. If you have a bench, just past shoulder height and drive up. As if you were off the floor. If you don't have a bench, you're off the floor. Perfect. You have to breathe. 6 seconds. I always catch it at that 6 second mark. When I'm like, oh, where's the end? All right. Nice. Good. How are you guys doing? Give me a high fives if you're doing okay. Music and voice okay? Give me a thumbs up if that's okay. Thanks. Oh, yeah. All right, 13 seconds to do the flies. One more time. We should be almost done. Probably have to go lower though. Not usual that you go up and weight. It's usually the other way around unless you choose unwisely at the beginning. So this is where a log card really helps. Then you don't waste your sets trying to figure it all out. Especially as you get like stronger and you're like, I always used to use that, but maybe you're jumping up. Maybe I'm really almost better at a 9-pound weight, which I don't have, and I have to jump 2 pounds up, but it's better to go a little heavier, especially if you're already warm, and then just drop set down for your best results. I could have made it. If they made a 9-pound weight, I'd be laughing. All right, so let's go. We're gonna press. Make it nice and heavy on this one. Bring your lighter weights close by if you can. Nice. I was almost struggling on that last one. 60 seconds. Have a paper close by. If you have the logs from the welcome guide, there is a page, a blank page in there, COACHcamp log card. You can write down what your weight was for chest press. Even if you just write that weight down, this one here, you'll know that for the fly, you'll probably go down 1 set, right? So fly's always gonna be a little bit lighter. Simply because the arms are a little further from the body, right? Like as soon as you bring the legs away from the body, the arms away from the body, it's gonna get a little tougher. So you got gravity working with that as well. So you gotta write one down, write the second exercise, which is the presses. And always back up. Okay, we good? We're doing rear shoulder next. Grab some water. I skipped the coffee today. Right to water with lemon, so I'm feeling really good. Makes a difference. Wow. All right. Rear shoulder. So gonna get on the bench or your chair, anything off the floor. We're just gonna bring this. So remember when we did our foundation? Grab some nice lightweight. We'll just figure it out right now. So no big rush for the timer. Square the hips, square the shoulders, and bring that up. So remember on Tuesday when we did the foundation exercises and I had you guys lay on your belly? And we just pulled, basically all we did is we pulled the elbows back off the floor. That's exactly what you're doing. So just because you have weight in hand doesn't make it too much different, except other than that, I'm just going to put the palm hand. So when we did it off the floor, we had baby fingers out, which is another way of doing it. Could still do it that way. Probably have to lighten the weight a little bit for that. We tend to do a little bit of our shoulder when we put the palm in towards the bench. You get a little bit of help. But it's a really good one. You can do one arm. Yeah. So remember where that's coming from. Back diagonal. Everybody looks great for form. Try the other side. We'll just figure these ones out. For this first round, I'm just going to do both sides, but on our next round, we're going to incorporate a row as our second exercise. We're going to just focus on one side and then just focus on the other. Just get used to this motion. Our form. Yeah. Just make sure you're hinging against gravity. Pulling that elbow. It doesn't have to fly up so high. That's the one thing. It's got 20 seconds left. You don't want to fly up too high. My timer was set to my original plan, which is to superset. So I'm going to get you guys to stop here and relax for a moment. So be careful. Don't fly up so crazy high. It's just this little muscle. We'll take the 30 seconds. We'll do this original side we did. You'll have to get a little heavier weight for the second exercise. So I've got 5, I could do 10. I think I'm going to go 10 because the second exercise is going to look like this. This is back. You're going to keep that tight. So grab weight that's going to work for you for that second exercise. Let's go. First one, the original. Back here. Lots of shoulders today. Yeah. Watch it doesn't fly over. You're just eating with that elbow. It's not so high. It's a very small movement. Like even if you just went halfway, you're getting right into that rear shoulder. Just watch your chin doesn't drop. Open your chest, reset, take your body nice and long. Yeah, keep your body nice and long. If you have a bench, you don't want to put your head down. You want to lift up and look forward. So my eyes are over top of the bench. And I'm really protracting to the shoulders so I can pull away. Get that nice long line. Careful you don't sink that bench. We good for 10 seconds more? It's a long one. Okay. You're pre-exhaust for this moment. I'm going to go heavy. better. So be careful, because when you get tired, start opening up. Square those hips, square the shoulders. Feel the biceps, the triceps on this one. How's that? That's good. Just a little swings. Careful not to stretch it too much. We don't want to weaken the muscle. Get ready for the other side. 30 seconds. Hopefully you chose well with your weights. You ready? 11 seconds. Rear shoulders on the other side. It's a nice combo. It's a nice combo. It feels good together. So even though my bench is low, I can pull my feet back so I keep that nice long line. Side. Getting heavy, these ones. 35 seconds left. And that rear shoulder, this will be the last one. Gosh, even if you let go of that weight, final few. I'm glad that's over. All right. Breath. When you pull in, you're exhaling. Make sure you're breathing on the way down. Palm is forward on this one, not in towards the bench. It's away from you. Give me that pause at the top. Feel the back. By the time we're done this one, oh gosh. Mind over matter, I gotta stop talking. I'm just gonna keep it going. Get dangerous. Get dangerous. Get dangerous. We good? Grab some water. This is a good time to just do kind of an arm swing, shoulders. A little pause for a minute. Grab some water. Make sure you grab some water for this next run. All right, one more set of different exercises. So I just want you to get into position for a shoulder again. So let's stand up with some lighter weights. I'm going to do a little partial exercise. So let's do I want to do that right now? How much time do we have? No, we have lots of time. Okay, so let's do the upright rows. Let's do the upright rows, and then we'll do the partials with the shoulders. I'll do that as a finisher. So upright rows for this one, if you can get that weight, that's really nice for that. I'm not going to play too much with the timer, so hopefully we'll be right on track to get started. So grab your weights for this one. Looks like they're right on, right on. So nice short 60 seconds. They're up through. Good, roll it down nice and slow. So with this one, you want to get the elbows back diagonal. Get that upper body. So be careful, you don't want this. The difference is leading with the postural muscles up here and pulling those elbows back, right? Yeah, let them hang. And if you can slow down, just as we've been doing, concentric quicker, concentric slower. Where's your breath? Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good job. Nice posture work. That should be really good in there because of your shoulders, you're already back there. Nice job. All right, we'll do it again. We'll do the same. Make sure you change your weight. We'll have a 30-second rest. Go heavier on this round. Just go again. I'm gonna grab weights on this one. We're nice and slow. All right. Well, let's do this. We're back on the timer. 60 seconds. Chest lifted, you gotta look forward. If you look down, it's already gonna be wonky. So look forward, lift your chest, drop your shoulders, and then go. So you kind of gotta get past your boobs when you bring it up, right? So the elbows. Remember where it is. It's not just about the movement. How am I gonna hit that upper back? Think about actually pulling something up towards you. You've got a pool cover. Some of you guys are dealing with that. Pulling this cover, using that upper back. Lighten the weight if you need to. And feeling that neck a bit. Okay. All right, relax. All right, let's do the real. So we're gonna take lateral raises. I'm gonna do a bunch of variations. 4 minutes, the timer's perfect. So lateral raises, we're gonna go to partials. So I might say an 8-pound is probably good for most of us. 5 pounds, perfect. If you want to go to 10, totally good too, and then drop set as you get hit. Okay. Do what you need to do. I'm starting with 8, probably gonna end up with a 5 in the end. So, elbows lead. Come on. Your timer, partials, ready? Lower, let's lower, let's lower. At least for this first one, you figure out what we're doing. Kind of get a sense of it. Partials. Right? Gotta drop it, drop it. Right, relax, relax, relax. We're gonna go full again. I'm gonna stay with 5. Tell me if I go any higher. If you're getting that neck, drop the weight. Drop the weight. Let's go. Full range. Take your rest. Reset.
Hold up. Place go wild when I pull up. They all on me like they want some. Think I got what
this
you need.
Timer is in seconds.
Off, you're a freak and I'm
116 seconds left.
This
You ready?
But a full check. Sign out like a star, no new name.
So this is the point where you just have to reset. You reset, you come back in. Just burning it out. Ready for partials? Let's go. Stay at the bottom. Stay at the bottom. Want it upper body, here we go. A lot of shoulders today. There is no biceps and triceps. They were kind of the secondary muscles working through our workout today. A lot of chest, back, and shoulder. All right, let's go full range. We got 1 minute left. If it gets too much and you have to put the weight together, that's totally fine. Use gravity. 40 seconds. Mind over matter, right? Don't get in that neck. 25 seconds. We'll take the last 10 for partials, yes? 7. Give yourself a rest. Hang on. Come in strong. Ready? Let's go. Come on. Come in strong. Nice job. Oh. Bye. Thanks, Susan. You guys relax. Oh my gosh, everybody's like, I'm out of here. I'm just like getting going on with the day. Open your chest. Whatever you need to do. All right, so if you got in that neck, you gotta get rid of that. I don't know if I'm gonna need more cool down music. If you need to do that neck, and we probably should all do it together, just gently take one ear to one shoulder. You can push down with the opposite palm. Other side. So if you got into that neck, just a little bit of a refocus. Dropping shoulders from the ears. Pulling up from the middle shoulder. Maybe just lighter weights next time. Pull it up. Ooh, those arms feel heavy. And that's all you need to do today. You can take your time throughout your day. Do these at your desk or on your walks. You want to get a little tricep? That's a good one too. And a big one here for the back, for your belly in. You're good to go. I'm gonna let you guys go. Keep stretching all day.